Hi, Jenny here. As you can tell by my little picture, we're going to make a recipe with bananas again. These bananas are nicely, happily sleeping, taking a little nap there because they didn't think they'd be used in the recipe. I had some bananas starting to get really ripe, and so I went through some of my recipes of things that I wanted to make. Found one that I thought would work, and I wrote down all the ingredients on the grocery list. My husband shopped for it, and then I realized that, oh, there aren't any real bananas in this recipe. There's banana pudding. That's what gives it the taste. But we'll probably use some bananas for garnish. Shh, don't tell them. So today we're going to make some banana cheesecake bars. Let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to need 1 box, 11 ounces of Nilla Wafers that we're going to crush, half a cup of butter that we are going to melt, 1 pint of heavy whipping cream, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 8-ounce packages of cream cheese that are softened, and 2 packages of banana pudding that are supposed to be 3.4 ounces, so total of about 6.8. I can only find the 5.1 ounces, so we'll combine one plus the other to get us that amount. Because we will be whipping cream to make it into the stiff peaks, we are going to take our metal bowl and we're going to put this in the freezer while we work on crushing up our Nilla Wafers. We are now going to crush up our Nilla Wafers to make our crust. If you have a food processor, you can put them in there. That will go a lot faster. If you don't, you use a gallon-sized baggie and a rolling pin, and we'll smash them all up. Alrighty, all crushed up. In a bowl, microwavable bowl, that's big enough for your crumbs. You can melt your butter in the microwave, and then we're going to combine the crumbs with that. Alright, we're going to make this in an 8x8 square pan lined with some wax paper or some parchment paper, and we're just going to put the Nilla Wafers and butter mixture that we just made in here and press it down to form a crust. Once you have the crust ready, we're going to put that in the refrigerator while we continue with our next steps. Alright, took my bowl out of the freezer, and now we're going to put our whipping cream in here. Oops, I should have shook it up some more. So, on to the top. Yep. We're going to slowly add our sugar and keep going until stiff peaks form. Alright, let's see. That's pretty stiff. Got some stiff peakness going on. That looks pretty thick in there. I'll go just a tiny bit more. This takes the longest part. This has already been going for 7 minutes, so it takes a while for this. We'll just let that go. Now I'm going to transfer this into another bowl so I can keep using the same bowl. Now we are going to whip our cream cheese until it's smooth, and then we're going to add the banana pudding to that. And when that's all mixed together, we're going to add back in the whipping cream. And just scrape down the sides to make sure that I get the banana pudding in there. It'll be all mixed in well. Made it that nice yellow color. Smells banana-y. Alright, now we add our whipped cream back in. Alright, it says to mix it back in. I figured I'll give a little bit of hand mixing so the whipping cream doesn't get just all caught up in the beaters. Should make this all nice and fluffy. Wipe down the sides one more time because I see a lot of the whipping cream still on the top. So to get this all incorporated in. Preview taste. Oh, that's banana flavored, all right. Cream cheese, sweet. Can't wait for this to be done. All right, took the crust back out of the refrigerator, and we're going to put our filling in here. And then the hard part, then it has to sit in the refrigerator for 8 hours to overnight, so it can set. We'll see if it lasts that long. If it sets earlier. Because it tastes so good, I just want to eat it. That was a big crust. It took up a lot of room. It went very high. This is a lot of filling. Let's see how we fit it all in. There we have it. Go in the fridge. I'll see you later. The banana cheesecake bars are all done. I did take them out a little bit earlier. I didn't let it go for 8 hours because I wanted to have it for dessert from dinner tonight. So it turned out just fine. The crust held, and as you see, the cheesecake is holding too. Got a nice shape. I did put a little banana as garnish on top, so I did use those bananas. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite type of cheesecake is, if you ever had the banana before. I'm going to enjoy my dessert. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. All right. I've had a little taste. Let's get the whole thing. Very banana-y. Very good cheesecake texture, smooth, delicious.